Anime can be easy to watch. You type in Beastars and you are given the option, do you want to watch season 1 or 2? Sometimes it is a bit difficult to get in. You type in Naruto and see the mammoth of episodes, but it is easy to follow. You start from episode 1, then all up to the end. Yeah, all good. Most anime is easy to follow, right? I recently watched Gundam Hathaway and god was it fucking beautiful and amazing at the same time. I really loved that movie. Right after the end, I said more. I want more. So as any man would, I googled it and was that the dumbest thing to do? What I found was an absolute shitstorm. The numbering concept of season 1, season 2 does not exist in Gundam, I guess. The Gundam starts at 0079, which follows this chart. And if you clicked on this video, I imagine you do not want to follow that chart or hear me go over every single one of them. I am new to this like you, so let's take this journey together because everyone I have seen here is a fucking triple S Golden Jubilee follower of this franchise. I say, if you want a taste of what Gundam is, go watch Gundam Hathaway movie. It is available on Netflix. Do not worry about the watch order or this thing yet. First, at least check it out if this is your thing. We tend to get caught up in what is the correct order and should I watch this first or that, but just do not end up watching any of it. I know about this because I am also into Fate. So go watch Gundam Hathaway. It is a totally new addition to the timeline. We follow Noah Hathaway, Gigi, and Kenneth, who are traveling to the Earth and are suddenly hijacked by an organization known as MAFTI, where they handle the situation somehow and land safely. And soon we find more about this MAFTI. Is MAFTI the name of the organization or is it just a guy? Gundam Hathaway is really amazing. The way they used 2D and 3D was so amazing. And not only the animation, but the characters are also really cool. Captain Kenneth is the most dumb, but at the same time, he's the most wow guy out there. We also got Noah, who is from previous movies, but his motivations are quite a mystery, and I would love to see more of his backstory. And we have got Gigi. Just look at her. She is literally called Goddess of Luck, and you can see why. She also has this mystery behind her, and I am all for it. Also, here is a cherry on top. The music in Hathaway is done by Hiroyuki Sawano. If you are still a bit unsure before watching it due to watch order, Hathaway follows after Char's counterattack, and to sum it up Noah's role in it, he was a simp who made the war worse and called out for daddy.
You got no right! Not even my own father hit me before!
That's all you need to know for now. If you did like Gundam Hathaway, I will recommend what I have watched or I am watching right now. Gundam 00, which will set up the base and you will also get to know what the world of Gundam is. And next, Gundam Iron-Blooded Orphans, which I am watching right now. Both of these are not connected to Gundam Hathaway and are standalone. So, do not worry about the prequels in it. And if you want a concrete breakdown of what to watch after this, you can search it up on YouTube. But I really liked this video where he breaks down beautifully what is worth watching. So, I will link it down in the description. I do not know this guy, but the way he talks about Gundam, you know, he really loves the show. So, I have decided to follow his list and hopefully, if you get into Gundam like me, you can also follow it. I get it now. Why these people are so obsessed with Gundam. Not only action figures or anime, but the franchise as a whole. They love it all. There are ups and downs with the Gundam franchise, but the ones who stick with it get rewarded equally. Lastly, just start with anything. I recommended Hathaway because it is amazing and we are going to get 2 more movies about it. So, you can just watch those 3 and call it a quit. Or, if you really liked it, take it one at a time, step by step. The Gundam franchise is not going anywhere. I am going to watch it slowly, savoring every TV show or movie. It might take 1 or 3 years, I don't know. Also, you might want to subscribe because next week I am doing 5 anime movie recommendations which you might have missed on. That's about it. See ya.